This is my good old friend, Olanya Gilbert.
Yeah.
It's a Good Friday. We've met with him. We are strategizing as RPP Repepe Paju to ensure we stop the charcoal trade to zero in Acholi.
Yeah.
So we are planning after Easter, before Easter, it is going to be massive in the areas of Noya, in the areas of Amoro. We have to save our environment. Those who are looking for me and they think you should arrest me, I think you are daydreamers. So when the two heads are together, you know Acholi definitely will not accept deforestation. So Gilbert, have something to say.
I am extremely happy for what Honorable Odonga is doing. I am telling you right now, Odonga has set a space with this team. Those who think that Acholi is a dumping ground, those who think that we are stupid, we are foolish, this is the time we are going to show you that we are very serious. We are going to protect our environment. Charcoal cutting massively must stop immediately in Acholi land. Those who are trading in charcoal, I told you the other time, never risk your lorry, never risk your money. You are at a great risk. We are not going to allow this. Those who are intimidating, scaring, and planning to arrest Honorable Odonga, I am telling you, you try. This time you will know what a true Acholi is. You arrest Honorable Odonga and make sure you build the biggest place that can keep all the Acholi in that particular shells where you are taking Honorable Odonga. We are not going to fear anybody. This is the time and this is the move. Charcoal burning must stop in Acholi, whether you need or not. I thank you.
Then lastly, to all people of Acholi, that it is our responsibility to take care of our environment. So that is the motto of is our theme of the advocacy towards degradations of the environment in Acholi. Our environment, our responsibility. Thank you.
So we are done. From next week, we are going to step up our activities. Please, if you own a truck of 300 million, don't bring it here to Acholi. You will lose that lorry. Do other businesses. We want to be law-abiding citizens, but please don't tempt us with your truck. Thank you very much. Next week.